Hello students, the last topic of this lesson is uses of this carbon and its group members. First of all, uses of carbon. Carbon is extensively used for making or used as different forms. Coal is used for fuel for boilers, engines, furnaces, etc. It is also used for the manufacture of coal gas, water gas, producer gas and synthetic petrol. It is largely used as a reducing agent in metallurgy. Carbon black is used as black pigment in black ink and fillers in automobile tires. Charcoal is used as an excellent adsorbent to purify and decolorize sugar and other chemicals. It is also used in the absorb poisonous gases in gas mask and removing offensive odor from the air used in the air conditioning process. It is also used for filtrate to remove water filtrate to remove organic contaminators. Graphite is a good conductor of heat and electricity used for making electrodes in battery and industrial electrolysis process. Graphite fibers embedded in plastic material form high strength and lightweight composites. These composites are used in the products such as tennis rackets, fishing rods, aircraft and canoes. And the allotropy forms of carbon. Diamond, due to its hardness, it is used for a cutting class, making bores for drilling, making abrasives. In jewelry, as a precious stone, gemstone. For grinding and polishing. For making dyes for drawing tin wires from metals. In industry, diamond is also used. Graphite, steel manufacturing, it acts as a reducing agent. Steel manufacturing refractories, it acts as a reducing agent. Electrodes in electrolytic extraction of elements. Lubricants for heavy machines. High temperature crucible and high strength composite materials. Moderator in nuclear reactors as lead pencil. Fuel in boilers and engines. So, uses of coke. Carbon black. Rubber industry as a pillar. Pigments in the ink, paint and plastics. Activated charcoal. Decolorizing agent in sugar industry. Purification of chemicals and gases by adsorption process. Activated charcoal is also act as a catalyst. Normal charcoal acts as a fuel as well as reducing agent. So, these are the uses of carbon and its different allotropy forms. Now, uses of silicon. Silicon is used as N-type or P-type conductors when doped with group 15 or group 13 elements. Silicon and germanium are extensively used in very pure forms in semiconducting devices, semiconducting solid state devices, which are on the basis of whole electronic industry, including computer hardware. Silicon is very important component for ceramics, glass and cement. Silicon is added to steel or iron, such are more usually in the form of ferrosilicon to increase the resistance to attack by acids. Very pure silicon is used to making computer chips. In alloys such as silicon bronze and manganese silicon bronze possess strength and hardness even greater than steel. Now, the uses of germanium. Germanium is the largest used in transistor technology in making transistors and other semiconducting solid state devices. It is transparent to infrared light and therefore it is also used for making prisms and lenses and windows in infrared spectrometer and other scientific apparatus. Now the uses of tin. Because of its low strength and high cost of tin, it is rarely used by itself, but it is used for electroplating and as alloys. Tin plates obtained by electroplating steels are extensively used for making cans for food and drinks. It is used for the preparation of number of alloys such as solder. First one is solder, is alloy of tin and lead, bronze, lead, copper and tin. Babbitt, tin, lead or copper, lead, tin. Pewter, tin, lead, antimony and copper. Type metal, lead, tin and stibbium, etc. The last one is uses of lead. Lead is used for making lead sheets, lead pipes. It is also used for making telegraphic and telephonic wires, which are also buried in earth. It is used as a storage batteries and making lead bullets. It is commonly used for making pigments like chrome yellow, chrome red and red lead, white lead, etc. Lead is also used for making important alloys such as type metal, solder, pewter, etc. So these are the uses of carbon and its compounds. So I conclude this lesson. So the other content present in this lesson are deleted as per the CBSE reduced syllabus. You can refer the CBSE reduced syllabus. So the P block elements are important in the examination point of view as well as IIT, JEE, NEET, etc. You can prepare and practice the equations very well. You must know what is the product formed during the course of the process and what are the compounds does not involve the particular chemical process. Okay, thank you.